What signal do you send out? Overwhelmed, fearful, angry, happy, confidence, leadership? Our actions follow our thoughts. Are you living every day the real you? Take a look around. Are you getting the results you want? Or are you putting on a happy face, thinking you are fooling everyone, not realizing that your body's signals are telling the true story, that you are frustrated and worried with your life situation? Maybe you have been trying to hold it all together for yourself and others, but now you're beginning to feel the weight and pressure. You're overwhelmed and anxious, feeling exhausted like a steam engine on a runaway track towards burnout. Lift off the heavy negative emotions and radiate out to the world the real you. Real positive change is a quick process. Awake each day and decide to be confident in what you really want, leading others like a guiding light.